Hey everyone, Tara Tesher here with an encore presentation of our super duper popular square dinnerware. It was a must-have. We are rolling it back in honor of Christmas in July for a limited time. So what I love about our square dinnerware, 16 total pieces, all individually hand-painted, and we love to say it's hip to be square here. But what's a must-have? Well, a must-have is an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And our dinnerware is not just another pretty plate. Our dinnerware can be put through the paces. Put it in the oven up to 500 degrees. You want to reheat that piece of pizza? You can. You want to microwave in that mug? You can. You want to put it in the refrigerator? Sure. The freezer? Absolutely. And the best part, they're all dishwasher safe. So check this out. We've included in our set, when you purchase a 16-piece set, you're going to receive 4 of our 16-ounce square mugs. And notice that we did that flat wall, makes it super easy to drink, a nice oversized handle when you're coming in and out of the microwave, and then we even put a beautiful pedestal, taking it from everyday to holiday. We've also included 4 22-ounce square bowls. Notice that rope detail that runs around the edges there, the hand painting on the inside, as well as the outside, and this is the pattern we call Old World, where you see a little bit more of the biscuit stoneware, and then that true individual hand painting on every part of that pattern that you see. We've also included 4 of our 8-inch salad or dessert plates. Those too have the rope detail around the edges. The silhouette here keeps all of that hot fudge or your salad dressing all in place. And then we also included 4 of your 10.5-inch dinner plates. This is a standard size plate that will fit in your cupboard, no worries. So I love the fact that you're getting all 16 individually hand-painted pieces, and we did it in 2 patterns. This is your Old World, this is your Floral Lace. So Floral Lace is gonna have more of that etched, more of that carved pattern detail, and then that color saturated around it. Each piece is gonna be trimmed with that beautiful beading, truly making our dinnerware from every day to holiday. But what I love about it is not only does it set a great table, when you spend over $35 on Temptations.com, you can use something called Afterpay, and you can break those payments up into monthly payments, which I love. So now if you want more than service for 4, you wanted service for 8, you wanted service for 12, we give you the flexibility to be able to break those payments up. So when you're thinking about what you've been doing lately, when you've been thinking about, do you want your table to look beautiful? What have you been using? What have you been serving? What have you been putting out there? The dinnerware becomes the exclamation point on your table and truly brings all of your food to life. That's why we're super excited to offer this as an encore presentation for a limited period of time, 16 pieces, 4 place settings for under $60. If you buy multiple, if you spend over $35, you can use our Afterpay. Enjoy, everyone.